פסחים, פרק ח' משנה ד'. הממנה עמו אחרים בחלקו. So I joined your groups. And when I join your group, I said, I'm going to take the left leg. Left leg is mine. You know, everybody takes זהו. Yeah? I take them, the left leg is mine. אחד מבני החבורה שימנע אחרים אחריקו בפסח, שלא מדעת שאר בני החבורה. So in other words, when I take, I'm going to take the left leg, I didn't mean it's only for me. I said, I'm bringing more people. Yeah, but I didn't tell you who those people are. Yeah? So I said, I'm taking the left leg. Now, either I can eat it all on my own, or I can share them. Yeah, between all these people. So this is what happened.
So in other words, before you get joined to the chavura, you already tell them what piece of the meat you want?
Yeah.
כאילו?
Yeah, it's 10 families of say, I'm taking this one, I'm taking the head, I'm taking this, I'm taking this, I'm taking this. Everybody's taking whichever part. Okay? No, you didn't have to, but this is what happened. כגון שנמנו 10 אנשים על פסח אחד, so there were 10 people, says, we're all going to join this Pesach, ואחד עמה הימנע עמו אחרים בחלק העשירי שיש לו בפסח. So one of the guys didn't tell them, he didn't tell them that he is not by himself.
Oh, you have a friend.
He has 5 more that he's going to include in his part.
So now there is 15.
That's right. ושאר 9 בני החברה לא ידעו עליהם, and they didn't know about them, right? So all of a sudden these guys are all BB guys, and the friends that I'm bringing are all the other side guys. And the guy thinking, we want to have Pesach like this. These guys are ready to start we want to have a relaxing Pesach. We don't want these guys over here. But we have you don't split the chavura, right? So it says, רשעים בני חבורה ליתן לו את שלו. Says they're allowed to tell him, even though we had an agreement to all eat together, since it's allowed, like we learned before, to eat in 2 groups, here, take your leg, go away. We don't want to sit with you. These guys are.
He doesn't have enough meat.
He has meat for him.
For himself.
And for the 10 guys.
Now we have.
And for the 10 guys. He has the whole leg.
He brought another 5, right?
Yeah, but he has the whole leg. He was giving the whole leg. So he could eat the whole leg by himself, but he.
So he gives them.
He give
5.
them. Yeah, that's why he says. But they have the right to tell them, we don't want to sit together with these guys. These guys are. We don't like the politics. We don't like the thing. רשעים בני חבורה ליתן לו את שלו, אם בני החבורה אין דעתה נוחה מזה שימצאו זרים בחברותם. They don't like these guys. רשעים הם לומר, they are allowed to say, when? לפני התחילת, because once they eat, if the politics started happening after somebody started eating too late, now you stuck together. But before, we say, we know this guy. These guys were in whatever, we want a separation. לחברם, לומר לפני התחילת אכילה, before the eating, לחברם שימנע את האחרים עמו, שיטול את החלק שיש לו בפסח, יפרוש ומצא, excuse me, you want to sit with these guys? Here, take your portion, go sit with them, have a nice Pesach. והוא אוכל משלו. And he eats from his part, עם האחרים שעימה אינו בחברה מיוחדת, with the friends that he calculated these legs with. ואין אוכלים משלהם, and they eat from there. בחבורתם, in their group, שהרי למדנו שהפסח נאכל בשתי חבורות, because we already know it is allowed to be eaten in 2 groups, as long as they didn't start eating. Once you start eating, you're not allowed to move.
What I don't understand in this Mishnah is if you take the Korban Pesach, and you know, let's say I have 20 people, and you know that this is going to be good for 20 people. Suddenly you bring another 5. Where they're going to take the meat from? If you didn't tell the Chavura that you bring more people, there is not enough meat. Where did he take more meat, this guy?
Good question. So the minimum amount is a kazait. The minimum. But I can eat 10 kazites. So I can say it for the I can say for the Chavura, excuse me, I'm going to eat this part is for me. I can
give them.
That's right.
As long as they eat kazait as he said.
Not only that, I don't need to tell them that they're eating together with these guys. As long as I know that they're eating with the shechita is on my. It's like I'm a subcontractor. once I subcontract this Pesach sacrifice, in other words, even if they don't know that these guys are in the Chavura, they still count, because once they gave me my part, I'm allowed to subcontract it, continue on. So as long as I know who's at the time of the Shechita, who's with me, these guys are good. This is what it teaches you, that you can kind of subcontract, and you have the right to subcontract whoever you want. That's the idea of the Mishnah.
Yeah, my problem was that it's got to be so precise that you don't want to leave any from the meat, that I was thinking that's going to be more order, that everybody knows exactly where and who, so we're not going to have left.
Yeah, that's another argument between me and you. You know what's the argument?
What?
It's a brilliant argument. Because you eat like this.
Okay.
For you, you're saying, if you give me, I can eat 20 like this. So, and especially in Pesach, I say, give me some meat on Pesach. What do you mean? I'm not going to eat meat on Pesach. For you, I say, okay, I ate this, that's enough. I can't eat anymore. Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
I'll finish it. If you don't, I see. If you don't finish yours, don't worry. Give it over here. I'll finish yours.
That's what I was worried about.
Yeah. Okay.